Gold fairly traded in a range, and as I said in the morning, 1978, 1985, see, it tried to breach on the downside and on the upside, but failed to sustain and still traded in an almost $10 to $12 zone. And as I said, largely 1970 to 2000 levels when should be watchful. Still it is showing the good things. At the same time, one should look at crude oil, see 78 levels and see beautifully 78.99.9. It failed to breach past 78. That was the buying entries. At the same time, on the downside, it has seen till towards 76.7. Now, what to expect with the US session? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and crude oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. This is the second update for the day. Let's start. First, let's have a look into gold and followed with crude oil WTI. Do watch till the end. Now, see gold, if you look at, see the sharp drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now higher lows, higher highs. So it is still trying to trade bullish, and this is trying to reverse. So possibly, if it stays above 1985 levels again, one can expect a little more rise. If it stays above 1985, we can see it hitting 1990 levels this time. But look at last few candles on the early charts, lower highs are seen. Hence, rather, I will wait for it to break out beyond 1988 rather. So now 1988, 1978, these $10 now do not take any trade here. Let's have a look. Stochastic was overbought, looking down now. MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence and is trading bullish. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see movement is diminishing here. You can see these red candles out of and the consolidation, and see the movement has diminished. This probably is a sign of a reversal, but right now wait for it to break past 1990. So you can buy it 1988, however 1990 192 zone, and then till towards 95 and 2000 levels. Very good resistance exists for gold. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over and it is trading with a little divergence. It is trading bullish. I told you in the morning update, see this is a triple crossover, triple bottom. Higher highs are seen. So possibly if it crosses over, we can see again a rise from here. Wait for it to diverge more. RSI almost flat. And if you look at 3-hour charts, now look at 3-hour chart. See the previous candle was a swing candle and higher highs, higher lows. Now only and only if you see it trading below 78, you can sell. Till the time it stays above 78, do not sell. And on the upside above 88, certainly it is a good buy for probably 95 and 2000 levels. Stochastic looking up, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. RSI almost trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now interestingly, look at the 4-hour chart. See sharp drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Now see the movement has still got see you can see this lower highs and almost same highs at 2010 levels. Very strong resistance exists at 2010, and see higher lows almost. So yes, wait for it to break past 78 and then only one can expect it to sell. So 78, 88 do not trade, and in fact on the down below 78 also if you are selling, remember 74, 75 the first support, and then 70 till 1970, do not consider this as bearish. Stochastic is looking upward. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a buy entry. RSI almost trading flat at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here, convergence here. See the 20, 50, 100 period moving average have started to converge here. And if you look at the chart, see the flatness here and higher lows. So very much into the consolidation zone, and it can reverse again. Yes, once it stays above 88, you can buy. Expect it to rise till towards 95, 2000, 2010 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bearish. You can see the beauty here. It is still divergent. It's still bearish. It is still looking downwards. And I have told you several times that see it is crossed over at a high. It can possibly stress the drop a bit. RSI trying to look downwards. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 78, buy at 88 for this $10. Do not trade. On the downside till 1970, you have to trail your stop losses, as it can reverse any point of time. Either switch your stop loss to your entry price or cost, such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's have a look at crude oil. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts on 1st of May. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts, almost double bottom here, and then this rise go until towards 78 levels. Now if you look at the movement, it is still trading in within this box 78, 77, 76.6 levels. The stochastic looking down, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, double bottom, lower highs, wait for it to break past above 78, and certainly you can remain long for 78.5, 79.2, and then 79.5, 80 levels. The stochastic is seen rising, MACD divergent and bullish, and see this crossover has happened at bottom. It is trying to look upwards. RSI almost trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts it is divergent bearish. Now see the 20 period moving average have started to converge here. The resistance there at 78 is very good. Only if you see it trading above 78 you should buy, but at the same time one must not forget double bottom is done, so a rise above 78 should bring little more bullishness. Stochastic seen looking upwards, trading bullish, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. See, first of all, lower highs, second flat bottom, so this is a consolidation zone. Stochastic looking up, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI almost flat. And first let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, very simple, beautifully lower highs, flat bottom, trying to consolidate, red green, a beautiful formation there. Before it takes a direction, it is trying to show you a swing here. Stochastic is oversold. Remember this fact, stochastic is oversold, so possibly, but at the same time the MACD is still divergent and it is still bearish, and see this is happening at a slightly higher levels, and hence it can stretch the drop a bit. See, long bullish run here, hence it is trying to drop a bit. RSI is comfortable here, so considering this I will recommend you to sell again at 77. Wait for it to break past 76.7 levels, and below that we can see it hitting 76, 75.9 rather, and then below that 75 levels also can be seen. So you can sell at 77. At the same time on the upside, buy at 78, the same levels we had discussed in the morning, but you have to trade with the trailing stop loss till the time it stays within 75.9 and 78 zone. We have to, rather 79 zone, so 76, 79 zone you have to stay cautious and alert, and largely 80 is the strongest resistance, so take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.